Alright, what is going on, my lovely crypto family? Today, bringing you a video of SingularityNet, short for AGIX. Now, in short, this is a AI technology crypto coin that you could buy. It's not really necessarily a coin as in transactions. It's a network for AI, essentially, to communicate with each other. Like, for example, you know how Elon Musk, he has a Neuralink, and you're able to... pretty much the goal for that is that as humans talk to each other in a network that doesn't exist, but they're talking to each other in a network without using words. So we essentially aren't going to use words anymore. It'll be like signals and thoughts that'll like correlate to what we want to say. Like if I'm thinking of an apple, I won't have to say an apple. I could just think the thought and someone will be like, oh, okay, word, he's thinking of an apple. You know, and that's really, that is scary. I don't know about you guys, but that's kind of more scary than cool. But we're going to watch this video to explain it. This is really scary shit right here. And then we're going to go into, you know, the markets and why I think there's no price predictions for this, okay? No such thing as that. Literally, sky's the limit with a project like this. Like, there are so many barriers to be broken with AI. So we're going to watch this video. Let me put a pause to that. And yep.
With SingularityNet begins the greatest age of progress and exploration in the history of artificial intelligence. We can put together many pieces of smart AI technology into super systems, increasing complexity and stability. It provides a framework for safety and transparency in artificial intelligence while providing privacy for people's personal data.
Right now, there's no platform anywhere in the world that is specifically designed to make it easy for different AIs to communicate with each other, to share data with each other, to make requests of each other, to compensate each other for their work, to rate each other as to how well they did different things.
Sophia is a good platform for bringing together the technologies of artificial
Okay, actually,
intelligence.
so here's something I want to show you guys. So right here, if you don't know what these are, so I'm kind of like, I'm in computer science in college, so I know a bit about this. So right here, these are APIs, and what they essentially do is like, for instance, for example, 155 super secute or something, or we'll do happy still, 150 underscore happy still. So pretty much what this has, it's like a package. Like in the 150 happy still, there was a bunch of like programs and languages within it to where it's like in this bundle, it has all this information that'll get implemented into the robot. But obviously you just can't type line for line for line and then put it in. So you need to have an API to kind of take all of that and then put it into just something really simple. It's essentially like muscle memory to where, like, for example, if you're playing basketball and, you know, if you're thinking about everything like, okay, I need to have my arm up right here. You're going to suck. It's a really fast-paced game. But what happens is you start getting so good, you don't even think about your next decisions. It's just kind of naturally there. So that's pretty much what an API is right here. So all these things, it's pretty much just like muscle memory for the robot to have a conscious collective thought, which very cool. So we're going to continue.
Each other for their work, to rate each other as to how well they did different things.
Sophia is a good platform for bringing together the technologies of artificial intelligence, using SingularityNet as a kind of networking protocol.
Right. You know what we could try next.
The AI code is there, free and open source on the internet right now. It's just hard to find and hard to use. So SingularityNet can complete that connection between AI developers and AI users.
If we achieve SingularityNet the way that we have portrayed it, the way that we have envisioned it, the way that we've engineered it, it will become the single most valuable technology in all of history.
I agree.
This is the chance for us to change the world together. We need participants. We need you, your time, your mind to make this happen. Work with us to realize the beauty and power of SingularityNet.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty remarkable, guys. And the reason why this doesn't have like a limit or a price prediction is for that reason. Dude, AI could go anywhere. And it's almost guaranteed AI is going to be the future of the Earth. Like, if you guys see what's happening to our Earth right now, it is going to be ran on AI, okay? There is no question, no doubt, 100% this is going to happen. So, if we look at the research, already what AI could do just for us right now, not even in the future, meta learning interface control. Boom. In the metaverse. Huge market to get into. And that already, just one reason is why you should be bullish on this. Again, biological, pharmaceutical companies, medicine. This would also be huge, okay? And then also doctors. You know how like the problem is with doctors is that, you know, humans make mistakes. Robots don't. You could literally just have AI-powered robots install... It's like the Matrix, dude. You just install a script of open heart surgery. Dude, they will do it flawlessly with no flaws, no failures. Like, it's crazy. So, wait, we got an ad right here. All right. We don't need music, I guess. So let's continue. Understand crop diseases. I don't really know why. It's like, who the fuck cares, honestly? Like, that should be the least of our concerns, dude. If we could cure human diseases, I think they should have put that instead of that. And right here, semantic perception. We aim to explore neurosymbolic learning. So yeah, pretty much it's just learning in the AI. That's just a fancy way of saying that. Marketplace reputation system. So it's kind of like what Amazon's doing, where you could go into a grocery store and nobody works there. And then SingularityNet simulations. Now this one is huge because, you know, it's like their own metaverse pretty much. And they can make their own simulations. Which, guys, do you know how deep the rabbit hole goes for these simulations? Like, oh, it's absolutely crazy. So that right there already, dude, so many different markets. You could put AI into literally any market, dude. Like, I'm gonna just think of some off my head. Firemen. You know, you could put some in the NBA. Have AI referees. I don't know. AI cruises, dude. Have an AI powered boat. You don't even need a captain, dude. Like, AI is scary because it could do everything humans could do exponentially better. I don't even want to say, 20 times better, because it's exponentially better. Like, you can't even put a number on it, dude. Like, they don't make mistakes. They don't. Humans make mistakes. Robots don't. And AGIX, they just came out like 2 years ago or so, a couple years ago. And they're still really unknown. Like, if we look at the AGIX price... Yeah, we're at 32 cents, guys. This is cheaper than Hedera Hashgraph. This is dude, the amount of potential on this is absurd. Oh, they're up 9% today? What the fuck happened? Oh, they were in the 29. Wow, that's a bargain. That is a bargain. So it looks like they were so they came out in November of 2020. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. They've only been out for a year. I didn't even know that, actually. Wow. Yeah, so they are literally brand new, guys. I would definitely put some money into this right now, actually. I might actually do that after the video. So what you could do is you go to KuCoin and you throw some money into AGIX. It's only on KuCoin right now. And once it starts getting adopted by other networks, like Binance or Coinbase or something like that, we could definitely see it go into the multiple dollar range very soon. Now, with a project like this, I don't want to put a price range on it, but my prediction is by 2025, 2030, this could definitely be way over $100. Life-changing money right here with Singularity. They're doing crazy, crazy stuff. So that's pretty much all I wanted to mention in this video, really. If you are interested in what I'm saying and you are interested in this project, I would definitely do more research, check it out. And maybe throw some money in it right now. Just get some skin in the game, dude. Because with a project like this, it's pretty hard to not fail, dude. Like, this is crazy. Like, I don't even know what to say at this point because like it's just so mind-boggling to me. But if you did enjoy my video, please leave a like. It does help. You know, motivates me to make more videos for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys have a